Hi everyone, this is Kamal Shah from Swechas. This video is basically for all those students of MCD Top Bottom Group or Simply Build House training to understand how do you read the message that we send daily on the MCD Top Bottom WhatsApp group. Okay, so now let's see if you have zero position on day one and you see a message like this. Okay, it's going to be first line always gives you the closing price of the previous day. Okay, and now it's going to be the next day for you. So next day you say there can be a buy above. Okay, so there is going to be a buy about 34047. So you say plus 25, which is one lot of Bank Nifty. Okay, and you buy about 34047. So when you say 34047, this is going to be the trigger price for us. Okay, so now let me show you on Bank Nifty trade on Zerodha itself. So now we select Bank Nifty. I say buy out here. I select a stop loss, okay, because I want to buy about 34047. This becomes my trigger price and I'll keep my limit price a little higher than it. Okay, so I keep it at 60. So between 34047 and 34060, this trade will get executed. So this is how do you put your order into the system, and this is what the WhatsApp group also indicates to us, right? So when you are seeing this, say buy above 25, which was the lot size and the price, so this becomes your trigger price. Okay, now if the trade triggers, so if the market goes above 34047, which means your entry has been done on the long side, then only for the trade which has been executed, you need to put the trigger price, okay, for the 1% stop loss at 33705. So you need to go to your positions, okay. So wherever you see a position, okay, and you see Bank Nifty, say consider this as your position out here, you go here and you say exit. Okay, so that is where you need to do it. So here, since there are no open position, I will not get any positions here, but you need to say exit. Okay, and in exit, this window will open up in front of you. Okay, and you need to put your stop loss. Again, your trigger would be 370,705, and you can keep this 10 points lower. So you can keep this as 33,695. So this would be your stop loss that you need to put into the system. Okay, so this is the explanation for the first line in the WhatsApp group. If the buy triggers, this order then needs to be put for your 1% stop loss for day one. Okay, similar to that, if you now look at it, there can be a buy which can trigger, or there can be a sell which can get triggered. So sell below, the levels are also given here. So if the market goes below 33,027, that is where you go short in the market. Okay, and if it gets triggered, 1% stop loss of that day can be put at 33,357. So only if the market goes below this, this will get triggered, and then this becomes your stop loss. So either or of this trade will get executed on your day one or maybe the next day. Okay, so whenever it gets executed, these are going to be the levels. Now let me show you how to keep this sell trade as well. So you go to sell, you say out here 33027 is going to be your trigger price, and you can keep this as 33015. Okay, so between 15 and 27 the short trade will get triggered. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And one more thing or advantage which you can get if you are trading it on Zerodha is GTT. So when you put over here 1%, okay, so this also takes care of the 1% stop loss if the trade triggers. Okay, so everything is covered that in the single order itself. Your short it gets initiated, then the 1% stop loss also gets in place automatically because we have put that in GTT, which is good till trade. Okay, so this explains to you on either the buy or the sell side of the WhatsApp group. Okay, so this is what it tells you. Now, suppose if you have an open position already, then the next day message will read like this: as Nifty, we have already an open position here. So you can say the closing price. Then we say what is the open position currently. So 75 plus 75. So we are long on Nifty at 14,832. And now the stop loss for this is 150 minus, which means we have to double our position. Okay, so one lot of Nifty goes to square up my long open trade, which is my buy position. I need to close it. And second 75 quantity is to go short or reverse in the market, right? So if this comes, so this is going to be again the trigger price for me. Okay, and this trigger price is actually been calculated by seeing the bottom, the actual fresh bottom in close line chart, and deducting another 0.5% as the filter which you have learned during the top bottom training. Or people who have not done the training, as we are having a buffer in of 0.5% in our actual system based stop loss to avoid the intraday movement in the index. Okay, so that is how we are trading it. So this is the explanation for both the type of orders or the levels that you will see in the top bottom WhatsApp group. Hope this helps you to identify what we are giving to you on day-to-day basis, right? And if there is any more issues, please contact me directly on my WhatsApp chat, or you can call me as well. So thank you everyone and happy trading.